Provo Beast doing an unboxing today. Today we're doing this doubled-in non-touchscreen Pioneer radio. Let's go ahead and get this all pulled apart so you can kind of see what it comes with.
We would like to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Sonic Electronics, so check them out for great deals on speakers, head units, amps, subs, wiring, etc. Use discount code ProvoBeast for an instant 5% off your next purchase during checkout.
This one includes CD, aux, USB, Bluetooth, hands-free and calling, and USB. As you can see here, it has multiple other functions. Of course, Pioneer is always Apple friendly, but also this does support smartphones with Androids as well. So we get this pulled apart. Comes with our main wiring harness, remote, mounting hardware, and our Bluetooth mic. Just details, warranty information, and our main manual. Get this open. There's our unit. Let's get that pulled out. Alright, so we went ahead and got everything pulled apart here. Of course, we have our manual, all the bits and pieces that we've pulled from the top, and then the radio itself. Now here in the front of the radio we have our main volume button. We have a display and call button to access the Bluetooth calling menu. We have track forward and track back. We have a backward, also band. Search button. Here's our main source button as well. Flip this little door open. We got our aux and USB. Pretty large display, not too bad. Then our CD slot is right along the top. Standard doubled-in size. In the back here we have 3 sets of pre-outs, front, rear, and sub. And then there we have our wired remote, WR, which is for our steering wheel controls, which is the 3.5mm center jack there in the screen. And then right above that is 2.5mm mic input for the external Bluetooth mic, which we have here, and you can run that in your car. Main wiring harness input, as well as a 10 amp fuse, and our Motorola input connection for our antenna. That's about it. If you have any questions about this unboxing, just go ahead and post a comment below. Thanks guys for watching the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.